Hello and welcome to a new video. So today I'm gonna show you a trick with square roots. So let's get started, and after you do this trick a few times, it'll get into your mind and it'll be easier for you to compute square roots. So let's start out with an easy example, 576. So I'm just gonna write it out again, 576. So when you do this, you want to look at the last digit, which is a 6. So then you're gonna find the numbers on the chart that have a 6 as the ending. So you're gonna see that 4 because it's 16 and 6 because it's 36. So we know the last digit is going to be a 4 or a 6. So then you're going to cross out the last two digits. So now you just have a 5. So now you're going to want to look for the number that is lesser than 5 but is closest to 5. So we find 2 because that's the square root of 4. So then we're going to have 2. And then we also have 3. We have to multiply the number below it, 2. So we have 2 times 3, which is 6. So now that we have 6, we are going to see, is 6 greater than or less than 5? So we see that 6 is greater than 5. So if the product is greater than the first digit, then, or the first two digits, or however many, then you're going to choose the lesser number. So that means 4. Then we have 4, and I also forgot the number that was less than 5 but closest to it, that's the first digit. So our square root is 24. Alright, so let me erase that. Alright, so now we have the square root. We have to find the square root of 3,364. So again, we want to look at the last digit. And then we want to see which one has the last digit. So we have 2 and we have 8. Alright, 2 or 8 is going to be our last number. Alright, now again, we want to cross out the last two digits. So now we have 33. So then we're going to find, again, the number that is less than but closest to that number. So we're going to find 25. So then 5 is going to be our first number. Then we're going to multiply 5 times 6, which is 30. So then, is 30 greater than or less than 33? 30 is less than 33. So we are going to choose the greater number, which is 8. So our final answer, our square root, is 58. Alright, so we're going to do one more example, and then I'll give you one to practice. Alright, our next example, 8,649. So let's let's get our last digit, which is 9. So we have 4, 7, and 8. Oh, no, that's a 4. Sorry. So our last number is going to be a 4 or an 8. So let's cross out our last two numbers. So we have 86, number less than 86, but closest is 81. So we're going to do 9. So 9 is our first number. So we're going to do 9 times 10, which is 90. Now, since 90 is greater than 86, we are going to use the number that is oh wait, sorry. I just realized this is it's a 3 or an 8, not a 4. Wait, no, a 3. No. 3 or a 7. Alright, so it's either going to be a 3 or a 7. So now, since 90 is greater than 86, we are going to choose the lesser number, which is 3. So 93 is our answer. Alright. So now, I'm going to give you a little homework. So, in the comments, I would want you to, with this trick, I would want you to find the square root of these two numbers. So, give me a second to erase this and put these two numbers up. Alright, so here's your homework. First one, find the square root of 2,704. Second one, find the square root of 5,041. So make sure to put your answers in the comments. Like, subscribe, stay sus. I hope that this made your square root experience easier. And if you are learning square roots in math, I would show this video or your trick from this video to your math teacher. Show them that you can solve square roots faster than the standard old way. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, stay sus.